Hello, this is Chef Marco from Marco's Kitchen in downtown LaGrange. Today we're going to prepare and pan-sear fresh Norwegian salmon. Start by purchasing your fresh seafood from a reputable source. Remove the packing and lay the salmon flat on a cutting board. While holding the tail, slide the knife between the skin and the flesh and hold the tail as you slide the knife through the entire fillet. Cut the salmon into portions, season with sea salt and black pepper. Heat a pan with grapeseed oil and carefully place the salmon in the pan top side down. Sear each side for 4 minutes or until both sides are nicely browned. Serve with a squeeze of lemon. It's a very fresh and healthy dinner. Buon appetito.